The DJI Pocket lineup is on the edge of a major evolution, and this time it is not just speculation. Official FCC filings have now confirmed that the DJI Pocket 4 Pro actually exists, standing apart from the standard Pocket 4 and fully approved for release in the United States. This is a kind of leak that usually appears right before a product goes public, and it carries far more weight than random rumors online. Before we go deeper, make sure you subscribe for more informative videos, as I work hard to gather useful information for you, and in return you just hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now the big question is simple. Is the DJI Pocket 4 Pro truly worth upgrading to? Or should creators stay with the regular Pocket 4? What makes this discovery so important is the confirmation of an entirely new model identity. While the standard Pocket 4 already has its own FCC registration, this newly uncovered device appears under the name Osmo Pocket 4P, with a P clearly indicating a Pro version. DJI has followed this exact approach for years, separating standard and professional models with different FCC IDs across its drones and gimbals. This confirms that the Pocket 4 Pro is not a rebranded refresh or a minor tweak. It is a completely separate camera with its own hardware identity. According to the FCC documents, the Pocket 4 Pro carries the model number PP041 and the FCC ID 2DR P041, officially signed off on December 15, 2025 under DJI's Osmo Technology Division. That date matters because it comes well after the standard Pocket 4 filing, proving DJI planned this as a two-tier release from the very beginning. Rumors around the Pocket 4 Pro have been circulating for months, but this filing gives them real substance. Early prototype images and reports consistently pointed towards something more ambitious, and the standout detail is the rumored dual-lens system built into such a compact handheld camera. That alone places it in a different class. The camera module is said to resemble the setup used in DJI's Air Series drones, suggesting improved flexibility, stronger dynamic range, and far more creative control compared to a single-lens design. The FCC paperwork also reveals smaller but meaningful details about usability. Regulatory and compliance information can be accessed directly on the device by swiping through the interface, confirming a built-in display and a refined software system that builds on previous Osmo Pocket models but clearly targets a higher-end audience. Battery information further supports this idea. The Pocket 4 Pro is listed with a 7.4-volt battery rated at 1,545 mAh, hinting at increased power demands and more advanced internal hardware. Safety testing adds another layer of confidence. The device has passed full SAR testing, measuring radio energy exposure during use. Even with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth operating simultaneously, the camera stays well within FCC safety limits. While 5 GHz Wi-Fi shows higher readings than 2.4 GHz, everything remains comfortably below maximum thresholds, suggesting faster wireless performance without compromising safety. The timeline makes things even more interesting. The Pocket 4 Pro received its FCC grant on December 22, 2025. From that point, DJI typically has a 180-day confidentiality window, keeping internal photos and manuals hidden until around June 2026. However, DJI does not need to wait for that window to close. Many products launch weeks or even months earlier, with regulatory approval already secured. The Pocket 4 Pro is legally cleared for sale in the U.S. whenever DJI decides the timing is right. All signs point to a premium compact camera aimed squarely at serious creators. The Pro label suggests stronger stabilization, higher video quality, better low-light performance, and advanced shooting modes that go far beyond casual vlogging. The rumored dual-lens system alone could make this one of the most versatile pocket-sized cameras DJI has ever built. This leak does more than confirm a name. It confirms intent. DJI is clearly not done pushing the Osmo Pocket concept forward, and the Pocket 4 Pro looks like a true step above the standard model, designed for creators who want professional-level results in a device that still fits in their hand. Now shifting gears, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro arrives surrounded by massive expectations. Long before anyone flew it, leaks and early impressions had already positioned it as the most advanced consumer drone DJI has ever made. Triple cameras, longer flight times, smarter obstacle avoidance, and stronger signal range all sounded incredible on paper. But once the hype settles, one question remains. Is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro actually worth all the excitement, or is it simply too expensive for what it offers? At first glance, it is easy to understand why this drone creates so much noise. DJI clearly designed the Mavic 4 Pro to feel premium in every sense. The build is solid, the folding design is refined, and nothing about it feels rushed or experimental. It feels like the result of years of feedback from filmmakers and serious pilots who wanted one drone that could do almost everything. The camera system is the heart of that appeal. Instead of just upgrading a single sensor, DJI expanded creative flexibility. Multiple focal lengths in one drone fundamentally change how aerial footage is captured. Pilots can shift perspective smoothly without repositioning the aircraft, making the experience feel closer to using a professional camera setup than a traditional drone. Image quality is sharp, colors look natural, and dynamic range holds up well even in challenging light. For creators who care deeply about visuals, this alone turns the Mavic 4 Pro into a serious tool rather than a gadget. Flight performance reinforces that impression. The drone feels exceptionally stable, even when conditions are not ideal. Controls are smooth and predictable, allowing pilots to focus on composition instead of constantly correcting movement. Extended flight time also makes a real difference. Fewer battery swaps mean fewer interruptions, which matters a lot when capturing landscapes, travel footage, or fleeting light conditions. Safety features quietly shine as well. Obstacle avoidance feels smarter and more reliable, reducing stress in complex environments. It does not encourage reckless flying, but it does inspire confidence. DJI's software ecosystem remains one of its biggest strengths, and the Mavic 4 Pro benefits heavily from that polish. So, where does the overpriced argument come in? Simply put, not everyone needs this level of power. The Mavic 4 Pro is expensive, and that immediately places it beyond casual users who just want fun aerial shots. For social media clips, travel memories, or hobby flying, there are more affordable DJI options that already deliver excellent results. In that context, the Mavic 4 Pro can feel like overkill. Some also worry about how quickly technology moves, questioning whether such a large investment could feel outdated in a few years. That concern is fair, but the Mavic 4 Pro feels more future-ready than most. Its hardware capabilities are strong enough that it will not suddenly become irrelevant just because a newer model appears. Ultimately, this drone is not designed for beginners. It is built for serious creators and professionals who either rely on their footage for work or demand the highest quality possible. For that audience, the price begins to make sense. In real-world use, the Mavic 4 Pro delivers exactly what it promises. It does not feel like marketing hype. Once you are actually flying it, the experience is refined, powerful, and confident, representing the peak of what DJI has learned over the years. So is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro worth the hype or just overpriced? The honest answer depends on who you are. For casual flyers, it is probably more than you need. But for creators who value top-tier image quality, advanced features, and a polished flying experience, the Mavic 4 Pro earns its place. It is expensive, yes, but not overpriced for the audience it is built for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.